Shemai, hello, I'm Nikki. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and fantastic daffodil for St David's Day. You will need 3 sheets of yellow tissue paper and 3 sheets of orange tissue paper. You will also need a pipe cleaner and a pair of scissors. You start off with the yellow tissue paper at the bottom and the orange tissue paper on top, and you can see there's a margin of about 2 centimetres down the side, either side. I'm going to fold it in half, press gently along the back seam. Now you have to find your middle again, because you want, that's right, half your tissue paper to come this way, and you fold down by a third, and then fold up by a third. So what you have is your original fold in the centre, one mountain fold and another valley fold. And then I'm doing exactly the same on the other side, folding it down the same depth and folding it up this side. So we've got our 2 folds up in the middle and 2 edges folded up as well, but a zigzag along the outer edge. Okay. Then we take a pipe cleaner. You need to put the pipe cleaner in the centre. The way you check that you've got the centre of your flower is by putting it where you think the middle is, pressing the 2 sides up, and if the 2 sides come up approximately level, mine are approximately level, you've got it near enough the middle. So then you can fold your pipe cleaner over the top where the orange is, underneath, and you cross the 2 bits over, and then you twist until the little end is wound around the longer end. Please be careful, the ends of pipe cleaners can be a bit pointy, so make sure you don't prick your fingers. There we go. And then we have the beginnings of our daffodil. And what we need to do is cut the petal shape in this edge here. So starting at the corner, bottom corner, cut up to the top, slightly curved triangle off both sides. You start at the bottom corner, you make sure your fingers aren't anywhere near the tip of the scissors, and you cut a curve up to the top. And then what you can do is start to fan out. Now when you fan out, there should be 3 petals on each side to make your 6-petaled daffodil. And what we have to do is make the trumpet part stick up. Well, the trumpet part is the orange tissue, and you find your corner and you pull it gently up towards the middle. So you want it nice and proud. Don't pull too hard, it will tear off. Just pull it gently from first one side and then the other, up into the centre of your flower until it makes a nice orange centre. Each layer comes away. Sometimes they're fiddly to find the corners. Just take your time. And when you've got all your layers into the centre, you can squash the sides in a little bit so that it makes a rounder shape, but just gently, like that. And then what we have to do is tear down the edges of each of the petals to make the petals spread out more. There we go. And there you have a daffodil. Happy St David's Day.